build your own herbal medicine kit right from your kitchen. Most mums have medicine in the cabinet. Smart mums, they've got this. Let's be real. Someone gets sick, you're scrambling, Googling, guessing, stressing. What if you don't have to? What if you have your own herbal kit ready to go? Here's what I tell every single mum starting out. Chamomile for sleep, digestion and calming nerves. Ginger for nausea, inflammation and immunity. Peppermint for headaches, fevers and digestion. Honey for sore throats and its antibacterial superpowers. Thyme for coughs, colds and congestion. That's your starter kit. 5 ingredients. Covers 80% of common issues. Want the full breakdown? Grab my free guide. Build your herbal first aid kit in 30 minutes. Inside, what to stock, how to use it, 4 quick remedies, printable labels too. Drop kit in the comments or DM me. Confidence belongs in your cabinet. At Smart Majority, we've spent over a decade helping more than 40,000 students use natural and herbal remedies to care for themselves and their families. Please subscribe for more tips on natural, everyday wellness. Thank you so much for listening.